Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I have another Sips by box of tea to share with you, so if you want to see that then just keep watching. So this is my Sips by box for the month of July, so let's see what we got this month. July teas, made for Lakin. Okay, the first one I'm pulling out is the Rooibos tea, naturally caffeine free, USDA organic, 100% pure, non-GMO. And this one is by My Red Tea. It is caffeine free, antioxidant rich, Rooibos, I don't know how to say that word. Has been used by South Africans for generations. Drink hot or cold, alone or with honey, lemon, or milk, or add to bath water to soothe your skin. Interesting, I'm gonna have to try that. The next one is by one of my favorite brands. This is Traditional Medicinals, and this is their Nighty Night Organic Good Night Sleep Tea. And this one is passion flower, chamomile, linden flower, catnip, hop strobile, spearmint, lemon verbena, lemon peel, and West Indian lemongrass, all organic, and it is caffeine free. Passion flower has the ability to calm and soothe your nervous system. It's paired with other relaxing herbs in this blend to help you relax and get a good night's sleep. So I do drink chamomile tea. I like their chamomile and lavender tea. I love the lavender scent of it, but I'll definitely be trying this one as well. And I like that it's already in a tea bag. I don't really care for the loose leaf tea. I mean, it's still good. It's just a little harder to work with, and it's just one extra step you have to do. I got this pomegranate berry motion matcha, premium Japanese matcha green tea powder, no sugar added, sweetened with real fruit. So it looks like you just add this packet to water or milk, and you can drink it hot or cold. And bring the energy and health boost of matcha with you wherever you go. This matcha mixes instantly into water, milk or juice, no whisk needed. And lastly, we have the Cranberry Symphony by Sunrise Tea, and this is loose leaf tea, and always includes little tea bags to put your loose leaf tea in, so that's helpful. But I do have like a little strainer I could use if not. But this is green and white loose leaf tea with hibiscus. It is caffeine free, low caffeine. This elaborate infusion of green tea, white tea, and hibiscus and fruits such as vibrant cranberry, crisp pear will add some sunshine to your day. Enjoy hot or iced. So these are all of the teas I got this month. I hope this was helpful if you're looking for your next subscription. If you love hot tea or tea in general, then this is a subscription for you. I will leave my referral link or my discount code below if you want to get a discount on your first box. I will leave that in the description below. And thank you so much for watching. I will say I do have to be a little more careful now that I'm breastfeeding. I had my baby 2 weeks ago, so I'm breastfeeding now, so I'll have to be a little more careful with ingredients, what herbs I can have while pregnant. So I'm going to look more into that. If you know herbs that you shouldn't drink or take while breastfeeding, please comment below. I would love to know. That would help me out a ton. So thank you so much for watching, and if you haven't already, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below for more videos like this one. Thanks again. Bye.